grow, still can't stop it.
What is up? I am Crypto Mason, and welcome back to the Crypto Mason YouTube channel. Shout out to the Gold Squad. We look for gold in every single aspect of our lives, and we always find it. Now, today we have a treacherous day in the market. We can see the total market cap is down to 2.4 trillion. We see every single coin is red, basically every single coin. BTC also has this insane daily candle, 7%, 8% now in one day. I really am thinking that we're going to come down and touch this, the bull market support band here, which is very crazy. Okay, if that does not hold, man, that is bad. But keep in mind, it is Black Friday, right? We're getting these Black Friday sales. And we've got a lot to cover today. I'm going to tell you some of the best buys on the market right now. I'm going to tell you what I'm doing. And we've got a bunch of news. We've got one of the dumbest headlines that I'm going to just bash on it. It's one of the stupidest headlines I've ever seen in my life. Okay, make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe on the road to 100K. Let's go. $2,000 giveaway at 100K, by the way. So make sure you're followed on Instagram, Twitter, subscribed, all that stuff, and you will be ready for the $2,000 giveaway. Now, look at this. We have BTC, actual price is 54,254. Look at this, though. Ethereum is actually holding 4,000 still. Like, if we go and look at Ethereum is still actually holding 4,000. We did dip below it, though. There's a wick on the daily, but let me go to the hourly. Like, it's actually okay. We did close some candles below it. Did we close any candles? Yes, we did. But it is pretty much holding up better than Bitcoin. I would say it's holding up better than Bitcoin. We did still have a massive. We had a 10% candle. I guess I'm wrong then. But Ethereum just looks healthier for some reason. And I wanted to show this as well before we get into it. Tech dev. Ethereum, Bitcoin, there's this trend line right there. You can see it. I just pointed to it on my screen, like you can see that. These peaks, as you can see, it's a trend line going on these peaks right here from about June, from the summer. And he says once this trend line breaks, it's going to be monstrous for alts. So these are the charts that nobody really looks at, is the Ethereum against Bitcoin. Well, a lot of people look at them, but no noobs. Like, no noobs look at these. They're looking at the Ethereum valued in the US dollar. But what about Ethereum valued against Bitcoin? This is the Ethereum /BTC chart. And there's a chart for every altcoin like this against Bitcoin, right? Hopefully one day there's a chart like this for XRP and every asset. Like, imagine an XRP /VChain chart or an XRP /Hedera Hashgraph chart. That's what we want, because then I can transfer XRP instantaneously with no fees to any exchange and directly trade that with any altcoin. It just makes sense, right? It just makes sense. So once this breaks, this is going to be monstrous for alts. I already showed Ethereum. If we apply the bull market support band to Ethereum, we're a little bit less close to it than we are with Bitcoin, right? But let's go to Bitcoin again, and let's see what Market Cipher is saying here. If we turn on the Heikin SG, we see we've got a short signal right here on that daily. That's the short signal we've been watching, right? You guys see this red X in every single video when we go on the daily chart. And look at this. You would have been cashing in. Let's see. If you got in, let's say, halfway down the candle, maximum you could have got is 15% in 11 days. Trading on leverage, that could be like 100%. So that is insane. We've also got another yellow or red X playing out there. That's pretty crazy. We see our RSI on the daily is at a 37. So that is like, it's pretty low. But Bitcoin tends to, like, over here in July, we can see, oh, my camera's blocking it. Over here, we can see we literally hit a 31 on this RSI, and what happened right after? We shot up, right, on the RSI. So very interesting right there. Let's see what Market Cipher B is saying about Bitcoin, and then we're going to move on to some altcoins here. We see that this green dot, people are getting mad about this green dot that printed on the 25th of November, which was yesterday. Which that is like telling you that this is the bottom, right? Because you should long on that green dot. But clearly, Market Cipher was very wrong. And I guess it can't predict holidays. It can't predict Black Friday. So just as a general thing, obviously, this happens every single Black Friday. Now, let's check out some of the deals we have, right? Under $200 Solana. Cardano is slipping away. 155. It's about to get surpassed by XRP. Now, we need to talk about XRP because this is crazy. As we can see on the daily, we're coming up on this support, right? There's a big support right here from like 93 to 86, like in there. Like we clearly couldn't get past that over here in September. So we're like dropping to that, right? The XRP red candle was 936. So ETH did have the biggest daily red candle so far. And we also saw on Market Cipher, it was wrong. Like, I guess it can't predict Black Friday. That's interesting. So you see when unnatural stuff happens, Market Cipher is usually wrong. But tracking the natural course of the market, it's usually right. So that's XRP for you. I think we're coming up on this thing. Look, we've got a huge wick here down to 91. If XRP does nothing in December, you have to be very worried that we're going to have to wait until the complete lawsuit is done, right? And then it will actually move. So if we do nothing in December, that's going to be very, very worrisome that we're actually not going to do anything until the lawsuit is complete. But let's just put this on log scale, right? And zoom out on XRP. So remove the drawings and remove this. Look at this. We can see, like, this thing has been doing work. Like, there is still a lot of opportunity for swing trading and stuff here. As we can see, like, at the October, last Halloween, this went up 200%. Last Halloween. And then just in March of this year, we went up 300%. But, of course, we're dropping down every time. So it's almost like we're going to come down here and then one final run. One of the best buys is Sushi Swap right now, for sure, in my opinion. I actually might go into Sushi Swap with a lot of money. I definitely want to pick up one coin during this dip because that could massively pay off. Also, Curve DAO. I've been suggesting Curve DAO for a couple weeks now. On my TikTok, I made a dedicated video with all my favorite coins from Coinbase. I wanted to show you also what ecosystem is holding up. It seems like the Avalanche ecosystem is the only one that's holding up. 9% up in 24 hours, while everything else is red. Basically, everything else is red. Binance Smart Chain ecosystem is also 1% up. The way I'm checking this as well, all the categories, is on CoinGecko. You can see all the categories, like Cardano ecosystem. It has question marks here because I don't think there's really anything in this. Oh, something went wrong. Clicking the Cardano ecosystem. Interesting. Okay, we see that almost $300 million of liquidations happen in 24 hours. This is just a warning. You can get wrecked. Why would you be longing on Black Friday? That's stupid. Like, people really were longing on Black Friday. The only thing I'm longing for is more deals on some nice TVs. I'm kidding. You guys should know what I think about Black Friday. It's a pretty demonic, low vibration day where everyone trades their currency, their energy, for more physical bullshit. Okay, moving on. Nobody wants to hear that. You want to go enjoy the deals. And I'm enjoying these deals. These are the deals I'll pick up. All these. But let's look at this. Bitcoin hash rate overlaid with price. Benjamin Cowan just put this out for I don't know what reason. But it is very interesting to see how the hash rate is actually correlated with the price. Like, it really is correlated with the price here. The red line is the hash rate, of course, and then the Bitcoin price is the blue line. So it is very correlated. Now, just a reminder, follow me on Twitter right here. Just going through. Now, this is the dumbest headline I've ever seen today. Bitcoin plunges 54K as news of a new this emerges. Are you kidding me? They're saying that people, after these fresh concerns, investors have started to de-risk their holdings. Bro, come on, bro. I can't stay on that too long. I just realized they're going to kick me off. But let's look at Hillary Clinton. What did this Hillary Clinton triple water sign? She's a Scorpio sun, Scorpio rising, and Pisces moon. Very powerful triple water sign for her big three in terms of her astrology. But let's just look what she's saying.
On the horizon that people are only beginning to pay attention to, and that's the need to regulate the cryptocurrency markets.
Oh, really?
Because imagine the combination of social media, the algorithms that drive social media, the amassing of even larger sums of money through the control of certain cryptocurrency chains. We're looking at not only states such as China or Russia or others manipulating technology of all kinds to their advantage. We're looking at non-state actors, either in concert with states or on their own, destabilizing countries, destabilizing the dollar as the reserve currency. There are so many big questions that the Biden administration must address. I just don't.
So she isn't saying anything false. Like, you might just be pissed off that it's Hillary Clinton, but she's actually not saying anything false. She is saying that countries are being usurped. Like, their currencies are being usurped by Bitcoin and by cryptos, right? And that's a risk to who she is. That's a risk to her people. I don't care about her people. Her people can all go burn in hell, to be honest. They really can. But from her perspective, if I can get into her perspective, it's true. Like, China is definitely attacking the U.S. economy, in my opinion, using these type of technologies, like putting the digital yuan out, driving Bitcoin, controlling Bitcoin. And she's even throwing in Russia here, who's manipulating the crypto market. So super interesting. Obviously, what Hillary says barely means anything. Right? Who is she to do anything right now? As she said, the Biden administration needs to handle these. And she says fast. Like, she knows the severity. Every day that we do this lackluster or just like this postponing things and like pushing it off in terms of regulating the crypto markets, every day that they do that, they're losing more. So you can just, obviously I want them to keep pushing it off because that means we get an unregulated market for longer. Now look at this from Enos ETH. This guy literally put his ETH address on a bridge. He's using a projector, I think, because I can see this line right here. But this is very cool. Look at his .eth domain. That is very cool right there. Ethereum name service, very dope. I just wanted to show that because it's very cool. Now, Clayton lied. We've got some Jay Clayton stuff. I just want to talk about this. Like, the reason I don't cover this too much is because we can sit around and talk about whatever we want. Like, everything is on the table already. There's no secrets. Like, they've exposed John Deaton, digital asset investor. All these people have exposed exactly what's going on with Joseph Lubin. All of them. It's all exposed already, right? So what are we sitting here doing? Just complaining over and over about how Jay Clayton's a liar and blah, blah, blah. Like, that, I don't think that's progressive in any way, really, unless you're doing something as big as John Deaton and actually trying to intervene with the case, which I don't even think, personally, that we should intervene with. Like, all these XRP holders, I say it every time. Like, they think it's a script, but then they're trying to intervene. Why would you intervene with the script? That's gonna cause a disruption. Meaning it's not going to get played out fast. Like, if you keep screwing up on set, like, imagine you're trying to film a movie and people keep walking in and just yelling during the scenes. That's what these people are doing. I'm sorry, but it's cool. Like, go and try it. Go try to intervene. Go try to do whatever and get the XRP holders represented. I think that is important for the XRP holder, that community, to be represented in the lawsuit, because we have been affected the most. or like the second most, right? Now, just a fun thing throwing in here, this random guy, I don't know who this is, Jeremy Clarkson, made a beer called Hawkstone, and literally he's using the Hedera logo. Look, top left, he's using the Hedera logo. So maybe this is an insanely smart marketing move. Look at his hat. That's the Hbar logo right there, bro. Like, come on. Maybe this is, I don't know if he's conscious of this move, but this would be a great marketing move to get some buzz in the Hbar community, and then basically like suck the energy off of a cult, because obviously all of these crypto communities are cults, right? And you can see me, I'm hovering above all the cults. I don't get involved with one or two. My name is not XRP Mason. My name is not Hbar Mason. It's Crypto Mason. I'm a crypto maxi, right? So I hover above all the cults, and I try to find the best entries, you know? But he might be sucking the energy out of there, and maybe some Hbar people are going to buy this beer simply because it looks like an Hbar beer, okay? I don't know if he's conscious of it. The colors on the website and the colors on the logo make me think that he might be conscious of it, or whoever his marketing team is, they might be. I don't know, though. That's just something funny. But that is all we've got for the daily market update. Freaking treacherous day, so stay strong. Don't look at your portfolio. Take a break from your portfolio. In fact, put more dry powder, which is money, just free cash. Put some more in if you want to. There's plenty of good deals on here. Basically, anything you buy is just going to go back up one day. That's literally how crypto is, bro. These cryptos go down so that they can go up further one day. If you have not noticed, everything you would have bought last year is up right now, still, even with these big crashes. So make sure you follow on Twitter, Instagram, join the Telegram group, and goodbye.
Crawl, steal.